Hey there, science fans. Bill Nye here, ready to break down a force of nature we use every day, electricity. So what exactly is electricity? In the simplest terms, electricity is the flow of tiny particles called electrons. These electrons are found in atoms, the building blocks of everything around us. Atoms have a nucleus with protons, positive charge, and neutrons, no charge. Electrons, negative charge, orbit around the nucleus. Now imagine a river flowing downstream. In electricity, the river is the wire, and the water is the flow of electrons. This flow of electrons is what we call electric current. But just like a river needs a push to flow, electrons need something to get them moving: voltage. Voltage is like the pressure difference that makes water flow from a higher point to a lower point. In electrical terms, it's the push that makes electrons move from a point of high potential energy to a point of low potential energy. And just like a riverbed can resist the flow of water, materials can resist the flow of electrons. This resistance is measured in ohms.
Now, you might have heard of two types of electricity, static and current electricity. Let's break it down. Remember rubbing a balloon on your head and seeing your hair stand up? That's static electricity. It happens when there's a build-up of electric charge on a surface. The charges are static, meaning they're not flowing in a continuous current. On the other hand, current electricity is all about the flow. It's the type of electricity that powers our homes and devices. This current can flow in two ways: direct current, DC, and alternating current, AC. In DC, the electrons flow in one direction like a one-way street. Batteries use DC. In AC, the electrons switch directions constantly, like a busy two-way street. AC is how electricity is delivered to our homes. So how do we get this electrifying force? Electricity isn't something we find in nature like a waterfall. We have to generate it. For decades, we've relied heavily on fossil fuels like coal, oil, and natural gas. These fuels are burned to heat water, creating steam that spins turbines connected to generators. These spinning generators produce electricity. However, burning fossil fuels releases harmful greenhouse gases that contribute to climate change. That's why it's more important than ever to explore cleaner sources of energy. One promising alternative is nuclear power. Nuclear power plants use nuclear fission, the splitting of atoms, to generate heat, which then produces steam to spin turbines and generate electricity. While nuclear power doesn't produce greenhouse gases, it does come with risks of radioactive waste and potential accidents. The good news is that we're making great strides in renewable energy sources that are both clean and sustainable. Solar power harnesses energy from the sun using photovoltaic cells. Wind power captures the kinetic energy of wind through wind turbines. Hydroelectric power uses the energy of flowing water to generate electricity. Now, imagine a massive network of power lines crisscrossing the country. This network is like the electric highway that transports electricity from power plants to our homes and businesses. Once electricity is generated at a power plant, it's stepped up to very high voltages using transformers. High voltage allows electricity to travel long distances with minimal energy loss. Think of it like sending a package through an express delivery service. These high-voltage power lines carry electricity to substations, where the voltage is stepped down to lower levels. Finally, distribution lines carry the electricity to our neighborhoods, where transformers further reduce the voltage to levels that are safe for our homes and appliances. Section 5. Plugged in. Electricity in everyday life. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, electricity powers our modern lives. It lights our homes, cooks our food, and keeps our devices running. Our refrigerators keep our food fresh, our washing machines clean our clothes, and our computers connect us to the world. Electricity powers our entertainment systems, medical devices, and even our cars. Section 6. What's up with safety? While electricity is an essential part of our lives, it's important to remember that it can also be dangerous if not handled properly. Never touch exposed wires or electrical appliances with wet hands. Always make sure electrical appliances are properly grounded. Be careful when working outdoors around power lines, and always call a qualified electrician for any electrical repairs. Remember, safety first. The future of power is all about innovation and sustainability. As we look to the future, it's clear that our need for electricity will only continue to grow. That's why scientists and engineers are hard at work developing new technologies to generate and distribute electricity more efficiently and sustainably. From smart grids that can adapt to changes in energy demand, to energy storage solutions that can store electricity for later use, the future of power is full of exciting possibilities. While we're busy innovating for the future, it's equally important to be mindful of our energy consumption today. Simple actions like turning off lights when we leave a room, using energy-efficient appliances, and unplugging devices when not in use can make a big difference in reducing our energy consumption and lowering our electricity bills. Every little bit counts. The field of electricity offers a wide range of exciting career paths for those interested in science, technology, engineering, and math or STEM. Electricians install and maintain electrical systems, while electrical engineers design and develop new electrical technologies. Line workers ensure the reliable delivery of electricity to our homes and businesses, and researchers are constantly pushing the boundaries of our understanding of electricity. From the basic principles of electric charge and current to the complex power grids that deliver electricity to our homes, we've explored the incredible world of electricity and its impact on our lives. As we continue to rely on this essential force, it's crucial that we prioritize safety, embrace innovation, and strive for a sustainable energy future. By understanding the power of electricity and using it responsibly, we can spark a brighter future for generations to come. Stay curious, stay safe, and keep those electrons flowing.